Beneath our feet lies a hidden world teeming with life. A single teaspoon of soil can contain billions of microorganisms. These microbes are not just microscopic bystanders, they are the lifeblood of our planet. These tiny organisms drive the essential processes that make life on Earth possible. They break down dead matter, releasing nutrients back into the soil. They transform elements into forms that plants can use. They even protect plants from disease. This complex web of life forms the foundation of healthy, productive ecosystems. Understanding these microbial communities is key to unlocking the secrets of sustainable living. Let us delve into the world of some of these key microbial players. One of the most abundant and important groups of soil bacteria is Bacillus. These bacteria are found in almost every type of soil around the world, from the coldest tundras to the hottest deserts. These remarkable microbes are known for their resilience and versatility. They can thrive in a wide range of environmental conditions, making them essential for soil health and fertility. Bacillus species are masters of adaptation, forming tough spores that allow them to survive harsh conditions. These spores can remain dormant for years, waiting for the right conditions to become active again. One species, Bacillus subtilis, is a champion at fighting off plant pathogens. It forms a protective barrier around plant roots, shielding them from harmful invaders. It does this by producing compounds that inhibit the growth of harmful fungi and bacteria. These natural antibiotics are crucial for maintaining a healthy balance in the soil ecosystem. Another species, Bacillus megaterium, plays a crucial role in making nutrients available to plants. It breaks down complex organic materials, releasing essential nutrients that plants need to grow. It dissolves phosphate, a vital nutrient often locked away in the soil. This process is essential for plant health, as phosphate is a key component of DNA, RNA, and ATP. These are just a few examples of the many ways Bacillus species contribute to healthy soil. Their diverse functions make them indispensable in maintaining soil structure and fertility. Their ability to suppress disease, enhance nutrient availability, and even promote plant growth makes them invaluable allies in sustainable agriculture. By harnessing the power of Bacillus, farmers can reduce their reliance on chemical fertilizers and pesticides, leading to more sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices. In the hidden world of the rhizosphere, the narrow zone of soil surrounding plant roots, another group of bacteria reigns supreme, Pseudomonas. These fast-growing microbes are known for their remarkable versatility. Pseudomonas fluorescens is a true guardian of the rhizosphere. It produces a range of antimicrobial compounds that ward off harmful organisms. But its protective role doesn't stop there. This remarkable bacterium also helps plants access essential nutrients. It produces siderophores, molecules that bind to iron and make it easier for plants to absorb this vital nutrient. Another species, Pseudomonas stutzeri, plays a crucial role in the nitrogen cycle. It converts nitrogen into forms that plants can use, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. Nitrogen fixers, nature's fertilizer factories. Nitrogen is essential for life, forming the building blocks of proteins and DNA. Without nitrogen, the very fabric of life would unravel, as it is a critical component of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins and nucleotides, which make up DNA and RNA. While the air we breathe is mostly nitrogen, plants cannot access it in its gaseous form. This presents a significant challenge for plant growth, as nitrogen is a vital nutrient. Despite its abundance in the atmosphere, plants need it in a different form to be able to utilize it effectively. This is where nitrogen-fixing bacteria come into play. These microscopic organisms have evolved to bridge the gap between atmospheric nitrogen and the needs of plants, performing a crucial role in the ecosystem. These remarkable microbes possess the unique ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms plants can use. This process, known as nitrogen fixation, transforms inert nitrogen gas into ammonia, which plants can then absorb and utilize for growth and development. Azotobacter is a free-living nitrogen fixer found in soils around the world. Unlike some other nitrogen-fixing bacteria, Azotobacter does not require a host plant to perform its function, making it incredibly versatile and widespread. It converts nitrogen gas into ammonium, a form of nitrogen readily absorbed by plants. This conversion is vital for plant nutrition, as ammonium can be directly taken up by plant roots and used to synthesize essential molecules. Other nitrogen fixers, like rhizobium, form intimate partnerships with plants. These symbiotic relationships are particularly common in legumes such as beans and peas, where the bacteria and plant roots work together for mutual benefit. These bacteria take up residence in special nodules on plant roots, where they convert nitrogen for their plant hosts in exchange for sugars. This mutually beneficial arrangement ensures that both the bacteria and the plants thrive, enhancing soil fertility and plant health. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria are essential for maintaining soil fertility and reducing our reliance on synthetic fertilizers, which can have harmful environmental impacts. By harnessing the power of these natural fertilizer factories, we can promote sustainable agriculture and protect our environment for future generations. Actinomycetes, the master decomposers. The soil is a complex mixture of living and decaying matter. Breaking down this organic matter is essential for releasing nutrients back into the ecosystem. This is where Actinomycetes, a group of bacteria with a filamentous growth habit, excel. Actinomycetes are masters of decomposition, able to break down tough organic materials like lignin and chitin. This ability makes them essential for composting and maintaining soil fertility. But their talents don't end there. Many Actinomycetes produce powerful antibiotics, which they use to compete with other microbes in the soil. These antibiotics have been harnessed to develop important medicines such as streptomycin, which is used to treat tuberculosis. Microbial allies in action. The remarkable abilities of soil microbes have not gone unnoticed. Scientists and farmers are increasingly looking to these tiny allies to develop more sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural practices. One promising application is in biocontrol, using beneficial microbes to suppress plant diseases. For example, Bacillus subtilis is being used to control a wide range of fungal and bacterial diseases in crops such as tomatoes, strawberries, and grapes. Another exciting area is bioremediation, using microbes to clean up polluted environments. Microbes like Pseudomonas and Rhodococcus have shown great promise in breaking down pollutants such as hydrocarbons and pesticides. A call for microbial stewardship. The soil is a precious resource, and the microbes that inhabit it are essential for its health and productivity. These tiny organisms play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter, cycling nutrients, and supporting plant growth. Without them, our soil would be lifeless and barren, unable to sustain the crops that feed us. As we face the challenges of a growing population and a changing climate, it is more important than ever to protect and nurture these microbial allies. They help plants resist diseases, improve soil structure, and even mitigate the effects of climate change by sequestering carbon. By understanding the roles of key microbial players like Bacillus, Pseudomonas, and nitrogen fixers, we can develop sustainable agricultural practices that enhance soil health, reduce our reliance on chemical inputs, and protect the environment. These microbes are nature's engineers, working tirelessly to maintain the balance of our ecosystems. By adopting methods such as crop rotation, composting, and reduced tillage, farmers can create conditions that favor beneficial microbes. This not only boosts crop yields, but also makes farming more resilient to pests and extreme weather events. Let us embrace the power of these microscopic heroes and work towards a future where soil health is prioritized and the hidden world beneath our feet continues to thrive. Together, we can ensure that our agricultural practices are in harmony with nature, fostering a sustainable and bountiful future for generations to come.